There's three ways how I get locations. The first way is I go ahead and look up the location information, phone number, address, some type of way to contact them, and then I call them. Then the second way I try to get a location is I email the business or the location. So I look for a way to contact them, saying, hey, my name is Edgar with Compass Funds. Just wanted to see if you guys would be interested in getting an ATM for your location. And here are the benefits of getting an ATM, cutting PayPal, Cash App, Toast, Square costs. Because I know, for example, a lot of merchants, they get charged monthly for that.
Mm-hmm. Yep. And a percentage.
Correct, and a percentage. Another way too is you're making the customers more happy because now they have more options to pay. So some customers love cash is king. Some customers like paying with card. So now you have best of both worlds in that location.